Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Perhaps you have been learning Chinese for a while and you want to know whether you can understand and respond to some questions in Chinese. So here in this video, I have prepared 20 questions that we really use in daily life, and I invite you to practice your Chinese with me. I'm gonna say the questions twice, and you are gonna respond to them. Okay, let's get started. 你喜欢吃什么？你喜欢吃什么？你最喜欢的动物是什么？你最喜欢的动物是什么？你住在哪个城市？你住在哪个城市？你想去哪里旅行？你想去哪里旅行？你几点起床？你几点起床？你怎么去上班？你怎么去上班？你最好的朋友是谁？你最好的朋友是谁？你觉得汉语难吗？你觉得汉语难吗？你现在在做什么？你现在在做什么？你有几个手机？你有几个手机？你今年多少岁？你今年多少岁？现在几点了？现在几点了？你这周末想做什么？你这周末想做什么？你为什么喜欢旅行？你为什么喜欢旅行？你是哪年的？你是哪年的？你是做什么的？你是做什么的？你工作多长时间了？你工作多长时间了？ 你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？你是哪个国家的？你是哪个国家的？你学习汉语多久了？你学习汉语多久了？Thank you very much for watching this video and practicing Chinese with me. You can share your answers in the comments. And if you want to support my work, please go to visit my page on Patreon. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye, 再见。